Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and your outfit is not complete without this beautiful Bulova watch. This watch is so delicate and it's small, so I love that because basically you are adding an accessory to your outfit, but at the same time, this accessory is not gonna call out so much attention that people won't see the other parts of your outfit. More than that, I feel like it really complements whatever you're wearing, and I feel like it is especially good for whenever you are wearing formal clothes. So that can be whether you're wearing a dress or whether you're wearing a formal blouse with slacks. I believe that this watch just provides that delicate and really beautiful touch. And I also feel like if you go out to work, it also provides that professional touch. And I just really love the details on this watch. As you can take a look, it's just beautiful wherever you see this watch. And I just feel like it is an amazing complement to what you're wearing. And that is my point of view.